Hello, my name is James Martin and I am president of the Logan Theatre, and I'm here in conjunction with the Hocking Hills Bigfoot Festival to help restore the Logan Theatre. This theatre originally opened in 1926 and was a vaudeville theatre right up until the 1940s. It then became a movie theatre and eventually closed in 1992. In 2018 we started to campaign to renovate the theatre. The Hocking Hills Bigfoot Festival is getting behind us. So come visit us at the Hocking Hills Bigfoot Festival, which is on August 5th to the 6th of this year, 2022,